got this truck in your blind spot here. He's staying right there, which means that we won't bother making a lane change. Or maybe we can now, if it's safe and possible. And good enough. Okay, we're gonna make a left turn at the lights. That worked out. Traffic's getting a little bit heavier now.
Yeah. Lunchtime, I guess.
Yeah.
After school's probably really bad.
Yeah, from 2:30 on there, it just gets crazy. Which raises a good point, actually. When you book your road test, the best time to go is in the mornings, before 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't care if I'm missing school, I'll do it in the morning.
Yeah, it's much better. Sometime around 9 o'clock, or that's the best time, because then school buses are gone, you know.
Right, yeah.
Their peak hours at the road test center is between 2 and 5. That's when things are chaotic, yeah, usually. Okay, we're gonna make a left turn at the 4-way or 3-way. And we'll keep going straight right down to Barrie. Yeah. Gemmel. So Hawthorne is the next one over there. That's where those bollards were, if you remember.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Where the lady stopped.
Oh, my. Yeah, I remember seeing them. Guy was about to open his door.
Yeah, you saw that, eh?
Yeah.
Nicely packed snow.
Yeah, I can tell. Must be
It-
slippery.
It looks pretty sticky, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.